There's a few things I would do differently on this build if I were to do it again. Well, first off, those flat sides that are triangles that are welded onto them, I wouldn't weld them on horizontally again on accident. I'd make sure that they're vertical so that I can actually chip slag properly. And I'm gonna try and get like some golf club grips for the grip of the hammer. And so otherwise, I think just welding those things on, vertically next time instead of horizontally is all I do differently on this build. So I think they turned out pretty good, and we'll test them out tomorrow.